I'm Matthew Cupper. I'm the owner of Adept Integrated Systems. We're a home cinema and automation business. So we install beautiful cinemas like this in people's homes. So we love designing cinema rooms. The cinema for me is the thing that gives me the goosebumps and I get really passionate about. The immersive sound with these overhead speakers, that is a real game changer, because when people actually hear the difference between this extra height layer of speakers, it is almost like you've taken the roof off the building. So when you turn the light off and plunge into darkness and then the sound comes on, it's like the room falls away. And that, coupled with the 4K, kind of lays the really bright images, the big bold screens that we've got at the minute. For a cinema room or something like that, we can basically do everything. We've got contractors that we work with. We can price building out the screen walls. We can fabric dress the room. We do all the stretch fabrics and the acoustic treatment ourselves, just the construction element basically, and the carpet fitting and things like that. You can add these little things into the home that give you a little bit more safety, a little bit more security, a little bit easier to operate and use, and also save you energy. You know, the Nest thermostat knows when you're there or knows when you're not there, so basically reduces your heating bill, doesn't heat the house when it's not necessary. And by offering that level of support, we can hopefully win people over, and they talk about us when we fix their systems, and hopefully we get more work from that. So we want to be the best systems integrator in the country.